If you're investing in ETFs, you need to know this. Investing in ETFs is a great move. You're diversifying, keeping costs low, and riding the market's wave. But hold on a second. Are you sure you're not doubling up on your investments without even knowing it? That's ETF overlap. It's like buying the same ingredients for a recipe over and over again. You might think you're making something new, but you're just getting more of the same. So let's break it down in the South African context. Imagine you have ETF A, which tracks the JSE top 40, the 40 biggest companies on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. And you think, I want to add more exposure to South African stocks. So you buy ETF B, which is a broader South African equities fund. But wait, ETF B also has all those top 40 companies in it. So you've now got double exposure to companies like Naspers and Prosus. This is ETF overlap, and it can be a problem for a few reasons. First, it reduces diversification. The whole point of buying different ETFs is to spread your risk across various sectors and companies. Overlap means you're putting too much weight on certain stocks, making your portfolio more vulnerable to their performance. Secondly, it increases your costs. Each ETF has a management fee, also known as the expense ratio. When you have overlapping ETFs, you're paying fees multiple times for essentially the same underlying holdings. It's like paying for 2 gym memberships, but only going to one gym. So, how can you avoid this trap? Before you buy an ETF, dig deeper than the name. Go to the fund's website, check out its key fact sheet or prospectus. This is often found in the minimum disclosure document. So this provides transparency on the top 10 holdings, sector breakdown, and asset allocation, which are updated regularly, often monthly or quarterly. And these reflect the portfolio changes. Then, compare the holdings of different ETFs you're considering. If you see a lot of the same names popping up in the top positions, chances are there's significant overlap. You can also use free online tools specifically designed to compare ETF holdings. But what if you already have overlapping ETFs in your portfolio? Don't panic. You can actually use this to your advantage. Maybe you're bullish on a specific sector like technology, for example. You can deliberately choose overlapping ETFs that are both heavy on tech stocks to increase your exposure to that specific area. But remember that this is a strategy that requires careful consideration and a strong conviction. Make sure you fully understand the risk involved before you decide to overweight on a particular sector. ETF overlap isn't always bad, but it's crucial to be aware of it. By doing your research and understanding what you're investing in, you can build a truly diversified portfolio that meets your financial goals. So before you click that buy button, ask yourself, am I just buying another puzzle piece that I already have?